How to replace shock absorber in S class 223. So first, removing the shock absorber, you have to transport the air with the use of computer. If you are not using computer, directly disconnect this hose pipe, then remove this hose pipe, which one pipeline which one connected to shock absorber, and then remove the upper arm nut and remove from the shock absorber, and then disconnect the electrical connectors, this cover, and these are the also cover, and then remove the axle from knuckle. It's a easy and good way, otherwise sometime it's difficult to fix the knuckle, sorry, shock axle shaft. So I would like to advise you, if you are removing the shock absorber on the front axle, you should remove the axle only from knuckle side. And if you finish these are the things, then disconnect this 16 mm nut 31, which one fixing on the top, and this is the nut for upper arm. If you remove, then you can